Right guys, these are the ingredients I've got here are gonna go in the chicken wings. We're gonna marinate that well and we're gonna place it on here, this wire rack, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. The oven's been preheated at the moment to 200 degrees. It's gonna go in there for about 40 to 50 minutes. So 20 to 25 minutes on each side. So what we've got here is 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is peppercorn grinded. If you don't like pepper too much, you can adjust this to half a teaspoon. Then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of, I'm using vegetable oil, you can use olive oil if that's available to you, and 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. I'm going to have a link for that one in the description of which one I'm using, but you can get a lot of different ones. So this will all go into here in a second, and we're going to hand marinate that. So what we're going to put in, we're going to put in the salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, the onion powder, the vegetable oil, and then that liquid smoke to give it that extra touch of that smokiness. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna marinate this properly with our hands. You've just got to get in this, guys. This is something you've just got to do. Now that that's done, we're gonna place them in the wire rack. One thing I do want to do before, actually, if you lot have got any of the fry light spray, one, it will make it a lot easier to clean. 2, this will stop the skin sticking to the wire rack when you're taking it off. Unfortunately, I still got these left and I filled that up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop these on another tray. Guys, just to save yourself from getting headaches, use foil, because if you use foil you can easily just take it off and throw it away. I'm using a spoon now because I've obviously just washed my hands. I'm going to put the remainder of these on here. Now the thing is, these ones will obviously taste just as nice as the other ones, but because the other one's on a wire rack, it's going to allow the air and the hot air to actually push all around the chicken, so it's going to allow the skin to become more crispy all around. Alright, now coming to these ingredients, guys. This will be the sauce, the honey garlic sauce that we're going to have, that's going to coat the chicken wings after it's gone in the oven. We've got about 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic here. We've got 1/4 cup of white sugar. If you've got brown sugar, go with that. We've got 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. We've got 1/3 teaspoon of ginger. We've got 1/2 cup of honey. And here we've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So these are all going to get mixed together. I'm going to pop it on the fire for a couple of minutes to warm it up a bit. Right guys, these just come out of the oven. They've been in there for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. As you can see, Can you hear that? Crispy. So all we want to do is just turn them over. Alright guys, this just come out of the oven. It was only in there for 20 minutes this time rather than the 25 minutes. So 25 minutes the first time, 20 minutes this time. I'm gonna coat it up with some of this sauce that I made earlier, as you were seeing. I've put the fire on low because it's gone thick, and so I'm just gonna make it hot again. I'm gonna put this sauce in here, put these wings in here with the sauce, mix it up, put it back on here, put it back in the oven, 5 to 7 minutes, bang. That's all you need. Take it out, put it on this plate, and garnish it with these, and we're ready to go. Simple as that. Don't make it hard on yourself. Then we've got the ones that we had to put on. You see what I mean by how they stick on the tray? If you can see how some of the skin's just stuck on these ones and that one, so you've just lost that bit of the skin on it. So now we've got this. Look at these. Look how these are cooked. Come on, that's what you call proper. Now we're just gonna pop these on here, because I'm gonna put this in the washer anyway. I know it's probably gonna have some of the chicken juices underneath. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some of this on here like this. Turn that fire off. We need to use this one. Use a fork. Mix this up nicely. See, now we've got this left and we've got that left. So I'm going to end up heating this up again at some point at the end, mixing it with the one in the bowl and mixing it all through and whatnot. Now, gonna taste that. You know what, guys? If any of you watch my video and you're still going Chinese and ordering food like this, you're doing it wrong. Look at that. That's not gone back in the oven yet. Because you know me, but I have to taste it with some hot sauce as well. Oh my god. I'm here busy eating. This is gonna go back in the oven 5 to 7 minutes, 200 degrees. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna pull it out after, pop it on a plate and garnish it all up, and you lot see what we're going with. Right guys, it's come out of the oven now. It's had 7 minutes, so all in total we've given it 25 minutes on one side at 200 degrees, 20 minutes on the other side at 200 degrees. We've taken it out, we've basted it with the garlic sauce we've made. You've seen what was left. I've just heated this up again. So we're going to take this and I'm going to put it obviously back in the bowl. Look, you can see the stickiness from it. Make sure that all mixes in nicely. Okay, now I'm gonna pop it on this plate. I'm trying to do it so you lot can see. Bear with me. Obviously this isn't for one person, this will be for the family, guys. No, just lay it nice. Now where we've got some of this sauce here. Now you don't have to add this. I'd recommend you just taste it. If you think it's sweet enough, it's got enough sauce, it's cool. You can put this in a little pot on the side so you can use it as a dipping sauce. But this is meant to be honey and garlic, so it's meant to be like nice and sticky, which is what you kind of want anyway from it. Then what we're gonna do with the 1.5 teaspoon of sesame seeds. I'm gonna go on strip with some parsley. Wings. Wicked. It's gonna be one of your family favourites from now on. I can basically guarantee that. Look at that. Look at that. No, that's the one. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna taste one of these, as always. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what, guys, you've really got to give this recipe a go. Oh my god. You know what, as you know me again, I'm gonna add some hot sauce. I'm gonna probably have 3/4 of this before Steph gets home, until I drop some on the floor by mistake. This is amazing. Guys, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you've tried this out and what you think about it. 'Cause mate, this is banging.